Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to check if your iPhone is refurbished or a new one. Okay, so this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So first of all you have to open the settings app. Okay, so here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and then you need to tap on this general. So let me tap on this. Okay, and then you need to tap on this about. So let me tap on this. Okay, and after that you need to come to this model number. Okay, so you can see I can see the model number of my iPhone. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to go to the first letter, okay, the first character of your model number. Okay, so you can see I have M as the first character in this model number, so that means it is a brand new device. Okay, so if you find the F over here, that means it is a refurbished device. So, and another one is if you find N over here, that means it is a replacement device. Okay, and also the last one, if you find the P over here, the first character of your model number, that means it is a personalized device. Okay, so that's it guys. In this way you can easily check out whether your iPhone device is refurbished or a new one. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.